Hey everybody, it's Kev making first tracks here at my favorite spot, and wanted to kind of get here while there still was some snow on the ground. We're getting more this weekend, but a little bit of a change from last time we were here. Just sharing you and the sand. Hey, it's been a while since I put my mug in the screen there, but at one of my favorite places. Just trying to make sure I stay in the center of this thing so you're not getting the one-eyed version. But wanted to say thanks to everybody. Again, we're creeping up towards that 100 mark, and it's a little rainy, and you can see the creek, man, looking good. So love that sound. So appreciate y'all. Let's keep pushing forward. Again, thanks for the likes and subscribes. And as always, Semper Fi, baby. Be safe.